my personal capacity, I found that there is a need of collecting and putting a group of professionals together coming from South Asian countries to work together and to start issue something that is more grassroots level, closer to the pulse of the community. So I founded this organization, and I'm now working as the executive director of this organization. This organization is a community-based nonprofit registered in Ontario, and the vision we have is diverse communities working together to build the capacity of individuals. And the scope we have is advocacy efforts, health promotion, and community development. So it's a mouthful of words. So what do we understand about that? Can anyone understand what is mean by community development? I just don't want to come here and talk and bombard you with information. I would like to have this talk, these 10-15 minutes I have, to be more interactive, so I will know that you understood the message, you heard the word I sent across. So anyone can tell me about what community development is? Community, yeah, please.
Well, as per my understanding, community development is the unification of all the people towards a common mission.
I agree that's one aspect. Thank you. So community development is working collectively together as a community, as a big, larger family of the community. It can be a neighborhood, it can be a certain segment of the community, or it can be a larger part of the community, working together towards making positive changes happening in the community. So we are a community, we are a larger family. So community development is one aspect of the organization, to make positive changes happen in the lives of the people of the community. That's one thing. And then advocacy. Advocacy, I spoke about advocacy last time, I don't know if you remember that, but advocacy is a collective effort of a bunch of individuals to make policy change happen. So what kind of policy can we change? Any idea? What policies? That can matter to us, that can matter to our children, that can matter to our families. Can you think of any of these policies? Any issues? Well, issues can be health related, community related, social aspect related, job related, employment, career. We come here as immigrants. Most of us are immigrants here. Maybe new or established, but we are immigrants, or we come from immigrant families. Our parents or our forefathers were immigrants in the country. So advocacy is making that change happen as a collective group. Like for instance, we have specific needs, we have specific challenges of the community. We might have some dress code, we might have some languages that we need to be addressed in the community. So make those policies in place to help us thrive and grow as a community is called advocacy. Like for instance, if we talk about health-related advocacy, we would like to communicate and influence the decision makers to provide us with more walkable neighborhoods, with more bicycle lanes, with more advanced sectors involved to provide more accessible physical activity opportunities, like for instance more parks and rec facilities where our children can play, where we are provided with low cost or no cost substitutes to equipment rental or things like that. So this is called advocacy, making policy change happen. So our organization works for that as well. Health promotion advocacy, social justice advocacy, and issues we address like Islamophobia, intercultural collaboration, multi-faith collaboration and cohesion of the society. So this is what we do. And the mission we have is to build equitable partnerships with community partners like your city of Mississauga, city of Brampton, and then region of Peel, and other community partners who are our allies like Punjabi Community Health Services, like Harvest Job Foundation Ontario, like Village Keepers. These are some of our partners. And you can get more information about our partners and the activities we do on our website. I can leave the information here for the website and our Facebook fan page, but you can get more information on that. But again, I would like to talk about some of the programming we do. We do provide services, not direct services, referral services, connection and collaboration services for communities and individuals coming from diverse backgrounds, mostly focused on new immigrants and marginalized families. So what we do is that we connect and partner with other organizations to provide programming to youth, to seniors, to families, to raise awareness and build capacity. So what we do, we provide health promotion seminars, we provide CPR awareness seminar, which I spoke to Vimal about, and we would be presenting one of the CPR awareness seminar to NEV with the organization's partnership. And we also provide accessible, available opportunities for the children to get active and get involved in healthy eating and physical activity. So this is what we do. We also present opportunities for community partners, grassroots level, and mainstream to connect together, collaborate, and work together. So this is what we do. It's not that big, it's very small, we just starting. And I would like to acknowledge Mr. Baldev Muttaji from Punjabi Community Health Services to be a tremendous support for the organization. He has been helping the organization, Canadian Association of Multicultural People, right from the beginning. He has been acting as a mentor and he is a great asset for the community. And I thank Canadian Neighborhood to provide me with this opportunity to come here and speak with all of you. And I also would like to express the need for the organization to have more volunteers from you. If you would like to volunteer, you can check out the website, or I can give my cards here. So if you would like to volunteer, you gain valuable Canadian experience, gain community hours, or just would like to get involved to make a positive change happen in the community, in your community, my community, or the community at large, please contact us. We need volunteers like you. We need dedication. We need support from people like you. So please connect with us and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be around. Thank you so much.